Hello Weather Shield, Jim here again, ready for installment number 2 of our core behavior series. This core behavior I want to build on something we talked about last week. So if you remember, we started with our achiever core value, and the first core behavior we talked about was be productive, not just busy. One of the concepts that I talked about was the idea that busy people simply do the next thing, or they're responding to the urgent. Productive people are more proactive than that. They're doing the right thing. They're doing the most important thing. So, urgent versus important. And I gave the illustration of Lee Iacocca, who kind of made that his life's mantra. If today was my last day on earth, what would I do? And he does that. He did that. The problem is, what if my job is more routine than that? What if my job is prescribed for me? So if I do commercial roofing and my job is to lay insulation and lay roof membrane, I simply have to do that. If I'm in the accounting department and I have to pay bills, those are urgent things and they're prescribed for me. I simply have to do those things. So in that type of a role, how do I do what's important? Because my job is really to just do the next thing. I want to give you a principle that helps to solve the riddle on this. And this is the principle, and this will apply to more things in your life. But while you're doing your job, work on it, not just in it. Work on it, not just in it. So here's what that means. Here's what that looks like. If your job is to pay bills, you can simply mindlessly do that and just respond and pay the bills. Or while you're doing that work, you can be thinking, is there a better way for me to approach my work here? Is there a way that I can set it up or organize it or orchestrate the workflow that makes it more effective, or will make me faster when I do this, make it easier for me, remove frustrations, eliminate problems? While we're working in it, it is critical. Every role, top to bottom, side to side, it's critical that we are working on it and we are thinking on a higher plane even as we're executing the work. And we're thinking about how we approach the work and what's the way to streamline it, what's the way to do it better, faster, cheaper, with less frustration, eliminate problems. So the principle, work on it while you work in it. What I'd like you to do is think together, talk with each other about ways that you can do that, work on it while you work in it, and maybe some examples of times that you have done that and what the results were.